Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Jan Abi Herbas. I am 34 years old, single. I am a high school graduate. My hobbies are riding motorcycle, basic car maintenance, and doing household. My work experience are I work as a family driver, houseboy here in Philippines for 3 years in Korean family. I serve 4 members in the family, including 2 children, aged 7 and 10 years old, all boys. My duties are driving, sending, and pitching the children at the school and driving my employer to different destinations and maintaining vehicles including messenger as well as gardener and cleaner. I'm applying this job to sustain my family daily needs and providing a better future for myself. I hope you will kindly consider hire me. I am a hardworking, patient, and willing to learn, and I will follow all of your rules and regulations. Thank you very much for your time and consideration, ma'am and sir. I am looking forward to work with you. God bless.